What's up guys, and welcome back. I hope you've all had a great Christmas and New Year, and the first video we're going to be doing is making a 2-finger ring. As usual, we pack out a mould frame with dove clay. This will likely be the last time I use this patch. It's getting quite dirty and starting to run a little low. Once compact, we add a layer of flour to prevent the two halves sticking. Take a ring sizer and press it into the sand. Add the second half and repeat. Once taken out, we overlay the ring sizer with the initial print we just made. We add an exit channel for gas to escape. The only additional steps were to stick in the entry hole, which was done off camera. The cast wasn't quite complete, but more than workable with. So now we trim and file the casting. Now I get a lot of questions regarding how I collect the filings and scrap. And quite simply, underneath the peg you can see a brown leather skin that catches all the scrap. So I ended up casting an additional ring to fill the gap of the cast. I cut and filed the two parts so they fit together nicely and soldered them in place. I ended up having to trim a little off so the size was correct. We use a mandrel to regain its circular shape. And then go about grinding, filing and finishing off the ring. And there you have it, that's how you make a pretty simple 2-finger ring. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.